Most Excel users waste time clicking, copy, paste, and dragging cells. In this lesson, I'll show you editing and data entry shortcuts so you can copy, paste, autofill, and fix mistakes in seconds. Hi, my name is Saurabh, and this is episode 2 of my 10-part Excel Shortcuts Mastery series. Once you stop relying on mouse for editing, you will fly through data entry. Last video we mastered navigation shortcuts. This video we will master editing basics: copy, paste, autofill, undo, redo. From next episode, which is formatting, the shortcut starts getting little serious. Further on, formulas and data handling. This is where the real power begins. Stick with me because the jump from episode 2 onwards is what will make you faster than 95% of Excel users. Here is what we'll cover in this video today. First, copy, cut and paste basics. Second, paste special tricks. Third, autofill and flash fill. Fourth, undo and redo. And fifth, clear contents and quick inserts. Let's jump straight into chapter 1. We start with Ctrl plus C for copy, and then we paste it by Ctrl plus V. Then Ctrl plus X for cut and Ctrl plus V for paste. Did you notice the difference between copy and cut? Now let's copy the entire row. Select it with Shift plus space, then press Ctrl plus C, and let's paste it here with Ctrl plus V. Now let's do the same. Press Ctrl plus space, copy, and let's paste it here. Ctrl plus V. And remember, Ctrl plus D copies the cell above into your selection. Ctrl plus R copies from left into your selection. Perfect for quick filling. Instead of dragging and right clicking, these keystrokes let you copy and paste in a blink. That's chapter 1. If you find these tips helpful, hit like so more people can discover this series. Paste special is where you get control. After copying, press Ctrl plus Alt plus V to open the paste special menu. From here, you can paste only values, only formats, or even just formulas. Now try Alt E S V and enter for pasting values directly. It saves a ton of cleanup time. You can even multiply or add numbers while pasting. Paste special lets you perform operations on the fly. Let's take an example. If I want to multiply all these numbers by 2, I put 2 in a separate cell, copy, select the range, press Alt E S V, and here I click on multiply and click on OK. And the previous numbers are now multiplied by 2. Such shortcuts separates beginners from power users. That wraps chapter 2. Remember, this is just video 2 of a full 10-part shortcut series. Subscribe now so you don't miss the advanced ones coming later. Autofill saves hours. Select a range filled with data. On the bottom right edge, when you hover your mouse and it turns to plus sign, press and drag down. Excel fills it instantly. Now for patterns like days and months, if I type Monday in a cell, again hover my mouse at the bottom right edge of this cell, and when the cursor turns to plus sign, press and drag down, and Excel fills the rest days of the week for me. Similarly, here I will put January, enter, select the cell, hover my mouse towards the right bottom edge and the cursor turns to plus sign, press and drag down, and Excel fills the remaining months for me. Now flash fill is even smarter. Start typing a pattern like separating first name from full names. So here for Amit Sharma I will write Amit, and for the second name Priya Nair I can put Priya. Now I select this range and press Ctrl plus E, and Excel recognizes the pattern and does the work for me. Think of autofill as saving clicks and flash fill as Excel thinking for you. That's chapter 3. If you are impressed by flash fill, drop a comment below and tell me your favorite use case. We all make mistakes. Ctrl Z instantly undoes your last action, and you can keep pressing it to step backwards. Let me show you how. So let's say I pasted these amount values here, then here, and then here, and then here, and then here 5 times. Then I realized it shouldn't have been done. Then what I do is I press Ctrl Z, and every time I press Ctrl Z, it takes me one step back. Now, if I want to redo what I've undone, I can press Ctrl plus Y and I get it back what I undid. I press Ctrl Y again, and again. Together, these two shortcuts make experimentation safe. Try something, undo if it fails, redo if you change your mind. With these keys, you'll never fear breaking your data. That completes chapter 4. If you are following along, hit subscribe so you don't lose track of the series. Now, let's say if you want to delete this column, you will press Ctrl plus spacebar and then Ctrl plus minus, and the column is deleted. I will undo the deletion by pressing Ctrl plus Z. Now, let's say I want the column, but I do not want the content in the column. So again, I will press Ctrl plus spacebar and use Alt H E C to clear contents without losing formatting. I'll undo this again. Now for some quick inserts, let's say I want to insert today's date here. So I will press Ctrl plus semicolon and Excel inserts today's date. If I want current time, I will press Ctrl plus Shift plus colon and Excel inserts the current time. These are lifesavers when entering timestamps or logging entries fast. Notice how these small keystrokes replace multiple clicks in a ribbon. That's the final chapter of this lesson. Like this video if these shortcuts saved you clicks. We have just finished video 2 of our Excel shortcuts mastery series. Today we learned copy, cut and paste basics, paste special tricks, autofill and flash fill, undo and redo, clear contents and quick inserts. Next up in episode 3, we will move to formatting, shortcuts, bold, borders, alignment, number formats and more. Hit like if this helped you, subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss episode 3, and check the pinned comments and description for the full playlist.